In this video, we are going to talk about the 5 best Google products. The first is Google Pixel 7. It's the newest addition to Google's Pixel lineup. It has a 6.3-inch display and IP68 water resistance and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus front and back. It is powered by Google Tensor G2, which is enhanced by Google AI. The second is Chromecast with Google TV. For the past couple of years, Chromecast is one of the best media streaming devices. With this, you can stream media in 4K or Full HD. You can bring together all TV shows and movies from other services as well. Control other connected devices as well, like thermostats, cameras, and much more. The third is Google Nest Mini. It's a Google Assistant speaker for your home. With this, you can connect multiple smart devices and control them with your voice commands. You can listen to your favorite music, stream the news, or even listen to your audiobooks. The fourth is Google Nest Doorbell. There are 2 versions of it, one is wired and the other is battery operated. After installing it at your door, you get 24/7 surveillance and even get notifications if someone passes by, like a delivery person, vehicle, etc. The fifth is Google Nest Hub Max. It is a smart home display that connects with other Google devices like Nest Doorbell. You can use it for streaming YouTube, Netflix, or for video calling your friends. Nest Hub can act as a single display for your entire screens in the home too. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe.